It's about 4 o'clock in the morning, June 16th, Sunday, 2018, Father's Day, KennyWestGozilla.org. And today, I'm going to show you guys a little trick of the trade. See here, when your tape is not working, simply because, let me step back a little bit. You see, the lines of the corners go up and down, are uneven, like a roller coaster, and they go in and out. It renders using tape ineffective when you're attempting to do a hairline seam like this straight to the corner. Then you need to get your little touch-up brush. You can go to some place like maybe Michael's Art Shop or a hobby shop. Get you a brush like this and get a little paint on the end of that brush. And these are some good brushes I'm using right here. I actually got these from Home Depot. Little artist brush set. And you take your brush up here to the corner and you carefully, with the right end, you want your long end to the right if you're going to the left. And just paint. And now you see I started here, but that's just to get the paint off the brush. Now that I've gotten the paint off the brush, I'm going to push it right up to the corner and come across. Right where the wall meets the bulkhead or the ceiling. I come back and do it again and get it right up there. Now you might say, well, this is a little bit tedious. It makes all the difference in the world from a okay paint job for an excellent paint job. And this is the type of care that I put into my work. And I can go a lot faster than that. You know, once I get going real good, put the camera down. Bring it right up to the edge and across. So now, most ceilings to walls are not even, so it's not going to be a perfect straight line. So the tape is not going to always be totally effective, especially in old homes. Even in some of these newer homes that are not being built properly and care is not being taken to do even lines. And so once that dries, it'll be a tight line going all the way down. You can't see the demonstration, but this is a white bulkhead against like a gray oatmeal colored wall here above the frame for the sliding glass door. And that's just a quick video tip. Just a quick video tip from Kenny West, volunteer contractor over at Gozilla.org. And just a short video presentation I made for you, demonstration for the DIYs out there. Thank you. Have a nice Father's Day, and we'll see you next time.